Winning doesn't happen by accident. It's built with purpose, discipline, and a team that plans to win every time. At National Cart Company, we are built to win. It's how we show up for our customers, our teammates, and the communities we serve.
We've always been customer centric. We always believe that if you put the customer first, you build the right team around them, winning will follow.
Since 1979, National Cart Company has grown from a garage operation into a national leader in material handling solutions, designing, manufacturing, and delivering the carts and equipment that keep businesses moving. No matter how complex the challenge, our promise stays the same: safer, better, faster. With more than 460,000 square feet of manufacturing and distribution across Missouri, Nevada, and Pennsylvania, we don't just keep up with demand. We're built to scale with our customers as they grow.
Our strength is our people.
We have talented teams, advanced technology, and processes that hold us accountable.
Accountability that's backed by action. From ISO 9001 certification to continuous improvement across every operation. Because winning the right way matters. Curiosity drives innovation. Integrity guides every decision. Dignity defines how we treat people. Growth fuels what's next for our customers and our business family.
We don't just plan to win, we plan to win as a team.
Built by experience, powered by people, focused on what matters most. National Cart Company, built to win, together.